So is A-level physics hard? It's a question I quite often hear from students who are considering taking their A-levels and which subjects to choose. Firstly, it's a big step from GCSE, and you should be prepared for a style of learning which requires you to do a fair amount of reasoning and problem solving and applying your knowledge to questions, as opposed to GCSE, which was more straightforward in terms of what you had to do, and you could get through GCSE possibly by recalling quite a lot of information. So A-level, it's going to be that's a step up, but if you're the sort of person who enjoys the problem-solving elements of physics, if you maybe consider that physics is a subject that would help you in the future, certainly, you know, it's an excellent preparation for further study in science or engineering or computing. But also, if you just have that real interest in the subject, then physics is an excellent choice. And don't let people put you off who say it's difficult. Certainly, it's very highly regarded because it is an academically challenging subject. Just to let you know, my name is Tim Clark. I'm a physics tutor. I'm based in the UK. I teach all my lessons online, meaning that if you were interested in joining one of my classes, then you can access that from home online. I have some new groups running from September for new Year 12 students to really help them to get off to a flying start in the subject. The focus will be on practicing questions and applying the concepts and the problem-solving elements to solving questions and being able to understand the thinking behind questions, and so that then you can then develop your exam question capability with the long-term aim of you being able to achieve very highly in the subject. So if if you are considering A-level physics and you want to have that additional support, you'd be very welcome to join one of my Year 12 classes. So I'm going to have classes running on a Wednesday and a Thursday evening, so two classes running in parallel. We'll be making a start with the mechanics topics, so that sort of is quite a smooth transition from GCSE, because I know that you will have covered mechanics on your GCSE. So in the first few sessions, we'll be building on what you've done before at GCSE, and then introducing you to the A-level concepts as we go along. So I'll leave some information in the description, and you can always take a look at find more information about my group classes on my website, which is www.physicstutoronline.co.uk. Anyway, thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope to be in touch with you soon. Thank you. Bye for now.